With the launch of the P series flagships, Huawei is once again set to affirm its position as one of the leading brands when it comes to smartphone photography with new Leica cameras and a CPU that brings AI to just about every aspect of the phone. Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and this is our unboxing of the Huawei P20. Similar to the P10, Huawei has opted for a clean and simple approach to packaging. Well, here's the unit, but let's save that for later. Inside, you get a set of stickers with the device's information, you get a SIM ejector, and a free case, the usual charger, and of course, a USB Type-C cable. Because the P20 doesn't have a headphone jack, the earbuds that come with it also has a Type-C connector. You'll still be able to use your favorite headphones by using the 3.5mm dongle, though be very careful as it can easily get lost. Now, let's peel off the sticker. The phone uses a dual SIM tray with no option for expandable storage. You do get 128GB though, which should be enough for most users. The Huawei P20 Pro also sports the same thing, no expandable storage, but has 128GB of internal storage. Moving on, the P20 features a 5.8-inch LCD display, which may be a slight step down from the Pro's OLED display, but still looks beautiful otherwise. The back panel is made up of a high gloss finish that really makes it look premium and is also a smudge magnet. In contrast to the Pro's triple camera system, the P20 sticks to dual Leica camera setup, one RGB and the other a monochrome camera. Up top is a noise-cancelling microphone, and the bottom are the speakers and a USB Type-C port, which is used for both charging and listening through headphones. All the buttons can be found on the right side. While the phone's booting up, let's put it side by side with the Huawei P20 Pro and the Huawei P20 Lite. The phone has 4GB of RAM and runs on Huawei EMUI 8.1 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. The Huawei P20 retails for $34,990 alongside with the P20 Pro and the P20 Lite. Do stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas for a full review. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and thank you for watching.